university with free tuition and a higher quality of education. Moreover, a university that offers a variety of courses and programs that you can choose from. A good choice will be Bicol University.
Regional, state, and a higher education institution with multiple campuses across Albay and Sorsogon. Also considered as the most prominent university in Bicol, founded in 1969, it has risen to SUC Level 4 since 1998. Bicol University values the standard of the 4 pillars, which are scholarship, leadership, character, and service, that follows its quality policy of continuous excellence journey. Those who are studying at Bicol University are called mga Scholar ng Bayan, or BUeños. They are motivated, hardworking, intelligent, talented, friendly, beautiful and handsome, and very supportive of each other. In Bicol University, students respect and appreciate their differences. Many departments or new courses were built until Dr. Susana C. Cabredo, the 6th president of the university. And that's when our beloved course, Entrepreneurship, was created, which is located at BU Daraga, College of Business Economics and Management. BS Entrepreneurship program is a 4-year degree program which aims to help young entrepreneurs hone their skills in marketing, creative thinking, and improving, and even starting their own small business. The students under the BS Entrepreneurship program also established a one-of-a-kind organization named Young Entrepreneur Society.
Iman Romelo Canyo. I am actually serving the students. I am the president of the Young Entrepreneur Society. Young Entrepreneur Society is a college-based organization in the College of Business, Economics, and Management. Young Entrepreneur Society po ay isa po siya sa pinaka-active na organization sa ating college. So, it was founded in 1982. Ang Young Entrepreneur Society po ay nagbibigay sa mga Sebamians or specifically sa mga entrepreneurship student para i-improve and i-develop ang kanilang skills sa kanilang field of study. Hini-help din po namin sila para showcase yung kanilang talents. Entrepreneurs is such a great leader. Nandito tayo to serve and to provide a great opportunities para sa lahat. 3 I's ng isang organization namin. First is idea. Lahat ng gustong iparating ng mga students ay we gather it and provide a better solution for that. And number 2 is invest. Invest hindi lang po about sa money, but invest in knowledge para ibigay natin sa mga students. And lastly is the innovate. Kung saan, when we say innovate, it's not only about creating something new. It is about improving the existing one.
Bicol University has many courses to offer that will cater your interest and enhance your knowledge, which will help you achieve your goals and ambitions.
Sumayaw tayo, biyuhan nyo, sama-sama tayo. Tunay na naganda ang taglay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema, wala lang yan basta tinaas ang ipila. Pasok